bottomed out. Alright, stop doing that. Half. Alright, so now we need to do a half. Boom. I need to get this down to 15. I need to get it down a 1/4 inch. I need to get the slip yoke a 1/4 inch out. Essentially, $16 and a half minus 3/4 of an inch is 5 3/4. So this is 5 3/4. And that should be that. It's 5 3/4 from the face of the diff on this side to this is 33 inches. All right. That looks like it's going to be a situation, but that will essentially solve the drive shaft issue. Look at us moving along.
Relatively gloomy day, but we have some good news in spite of all of that. Boom. We are down here. Swing. Finally got it. We're not gonna talk about who did it yet, because like all things, most of these places lie to you just to do things, but it kind of seems to be the norm within doing things that have never been done. So, oh yeah, we're underneath here. We're gonna set up, and give me a second.
We're here. What seems to be what I can only say seems like a pending problem, because I think my drive shaft lied to me. But let's see what happens. That's in there. This will go there. And oh yes, because of the design of the rear subframe, this isn't going to just bolt up or slide in or do any of that. So let's go on the back end. Nope. People. I hate people. This is annoying. Alright. So essentially what's about to happen is, if I really want to do this, I'm going to have to drop the diff. Son of a... Got work to do, gents. And this is 90% of the reason why you should never really bolt anything up permanently while building anything. Alright, we have to get this party on the road. No, oh, this is gonna be annoying. Toot toot toot. Why yes, you have joined us in the midst of undoing a bunch of bolts that we partially did and some that we securely did, because all of this needs to come back off to see exactly how we're going to put this drive shaft in. Don't you just love doing the same thing 3 times?
Ryan Little.
This is the issue. So it's just like if the diff is in, well, one, this line is here. The next thing is that because this is closed, I don't know what the design safety feature for this being closed is. It could be open because that's the way most new current vehicles are. So this was the issue. And you put it in down here, you couldn't go up. And when you put it in from this side, no, of course, I'm here by myself, and this is gonna be more awkward than it needs to be. And you put it in from that side, this part would basically be in the way, and you can't go up because slip yoke used to slide into the transmission. But give me a moment since I'm here working by myself, and I'll be a little bit less discombobulated. We are under here, and I'm certain that's going to sound irritating to you guys. I apologize. You know, this is back here. It's not tight because I swear to the heavens there shall be something that requires me to remove this. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. The completion of the world's first CD009 transmission. 2JZ swap in the E30. Look at that. Everything's done. So for the more part, what we need to do now is bleed the clutch system, cut out a hole to put the stupid
shifter linkage in. And then we can answer all the questions, or the only question everybody wants to know is how far back does it go? Well, we'll go into that. We'll cross that bridge when we reach up there. But yeah. Mama, we made it!